Okay, I'm a little upset because I'm literally throwing money down the drain here. What's happening to me is the bag is, as you pull it out, it rips. And I'm going, well, why is it ripping? Like is it the way the bag is constructed, or is it something the bag is doing? But on closer inspection, you look and you go, well, that's not good. That little tab there that scratches up the bag and pulls the bag at exactly the spot where it splits down the middle is sharp and pointy. And you think, well, they wouldn't do that on purpose, would they? But you look at this one, and yeah, that's exactly like it's a brand new Playtex diaper Genie. So if you have the same problem I'm having with these, what you got to do is you got to knock the corner off here. So whoever designed that, look at the money I'm just throwing down the drain. Boo.